And then basically the business model does a step change. Can I come back to the VC and say, well, yeah, something has changed, the story is new, or is it no and no?
Well, hopefully the story will evolve. I forgot who said it on the panel here, but you know, business models, technology, all that stuff evolves over time. So part of the process of engaging with investors is to show that evolution, to say, hey, you know, this is the market we started going after. We're realizing it's a bigger opportunity if we did X, Y, and Z. And you know, along with that, it's kind of a generic question. It's hard for me to answer around specifics. But we are looking for improvement as we engage as well. And hopefully you are too, by the way. This is not a one-way conversation. So, you know, as we're sitting there doing due diligence and trying to look at the market and all these kinds of things, you all right there?
Mona's camera's not okay.
Did you just break an expensive camera?
No, we're okay.
Hopefully, you know, you're getting value out of the interaction as well, in the sense of, you know, are we making introductions for you? Are we doing things that look like we're going to be very helpful if we come together on a term sheet and so on? I hate to sound very generic, but you know the question was pretty broad. So, if you have specifics.
Well, we spoke to Hammer Winblad already.
Yeah. What was the feedback? What was the feedback?
At the time, the feedback was that we're doing B2B. We cut the banks out of supplier financing, and at the time we were purely SAP focused. So that was a single platform, and that was not appreciated at all.
Right.
So we have taken that thing to actually evolve beyond that and see what is needed to make it a multi-platform, and found, well, if you want a hack, to also be a multi-channel at the same time, which changes the market we go after, or the way we go after a market that was interesting from the start. But the thing is there a chance to elaborate on that, or is a fail a fail?
No, there is.
Too early go to the right people, then you're left with not good matches afterwards.
Right. So this is it's a good case study, right? So if you've taken that view that we gave you, that says, you know, being a single platform isn't gonna, it's too small of a market, too niche, blah blah blah, whatever, and you agree with it, and you did that because you think it's the right thing to do, and you see a broader opportunity, then yeah, we should, you know, circle back and see where the conversation goes. But when we say we think you should do this, what that really means is this is how we see the world. We're not saying that you guys have to agree with us, as you pointed out, right? It just says when we're looking at opportunities, that's the way we're looking at it. It doesn't mean you can't have a successful business being an SAP specific solution.